this session we'll learn mv command. mv stands for move and it's used to rename, move one or more files and directories from one place to another in a file system. Let's type man mv. As you can see, it says here mv renames source to destination or moves sources to directories. Options with mv command is almost the same with cp command. Pressing Q button on my keyboard to quit this manual page and then type in ls to see our files and directories. Let's move our fruits folder in here to our templates directory. Type in mv fruits to templates. And in here, fruits is source directory and templates is destination directory. Enter ls templates. Here is our fruits directory is moved to our templates directory. Now let's move our test file 1 file to our public directory. So type in mv test file 1, then public ls public. Here is our test file 1 is in our public directory. You should notice that cp command holds files and directories copy, but move command is not holding copy, it just moves files and directories completely. Like cp command, we can move multiple files and directories manually by typing one by one process or all in one process. Like if I want to move all txt files in one process, I'm going to type mv asterisk.txt. Asterisk means all files or directories. And I'm going to move all these files to music directory. Type in music. Enter. And ls music. Here it is. Our txt files moved to our music folder. That's it. To move all txt files back, we should put move music asterisk.txt then dot. As we talked about dot or two dots with cd command lectures in our previous lesson. Enter then ls. As you see, we moved our txt files in a one process. So let's clear our window. Now let's create a backup file from the same named file. Type in ls public. As you can see, we have a test file 1 file in our public directory. Now type in touch to create test file 1 in our current directory. ls. We have test file 1 file. Then type in mv-b means backup test file 1 to public and ls public. As you see, we have a tilde sign on our test file 1 file, which it means backup of test file 1. Now type in ls. And one last thing, rename an existing file with move command. We're going to rename tf6.txt file, but typing in mv-v means verbose. tf6.txt going to move renamed file to public directory as tf7.txt. As you can see, Our tf6.txt file moved to public directory as tf7.txt file. Type in ls public. Here is tf7.txt. Now type in ls in our current directory. Our tf6.txt file gone. It was here before, now it's gone to public directory as tf7.txt file. Like previous useful commands, move command is very useful as well, and we'll use this command often in our next lectures. Well, I guess that's enough for today. This is the end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.